in the world of sports. And as a Ghanaian, a very, very important. I start from a Ghanaian point of view, which is what's the nickname. Was a co-city, no? Na city for no semenyo muti mo. Onwe mu kra semenyo no kono kro muni or bonus semenyo. But of course you can't blame him. City for no struggle somebody no say emomo home ho ne semenyo no. Omo friend Ants, what's his short name? And after the game you could tell say he has made a huge impact on the City fans, Josep Guardiola, and he will be over TV. Rich Antoine Semenyo the olden type archetype of a 4-4-2 center forward striker. So guys our time now. Two top. No? Antoine Semenyo is proper two top.
Bulky, but also a control ball not down.
Now
as well as between us.
Sanko for no omo adibi. And no momo ye better, different than no matter how technical you be as a striker. Sanko for no adike to ebi wo mumu Rich, it sets them apart. You can be a striker. Ubetima be who that play. Ubetima be omunya normal strikers number 9 the focal points omo horum. But the archetype proper 9 4-4-2 there. They have something very small. Rich, it's the box instincts. Say ya bobo pinte. Their instincts is able to tell them say the ball will fall here.
And pounce.
That is them. And yet too much technical ability. Which all the Antoine Semenyo Jina now they defend the Jina say on China or Bebre. That's not his stock in trade. So all the Antoine Semenyo Jina wing say on ye dia Savinho Nibia. He may not be able to give you that nibbly, dribbly, inside, outside, and conform pay yeah, more fast than any other. Antoine Semenyo is a no go no share. And I don't know if you've seen the goal. I'm sure say Jeff Nian debate me and a picture of the goal for us. Rich, the ball just bounced and you'll be a ball. But the one thing that makes even that instincts better for Antoine is that Rich, alongside all of Sani, man, he is also somebody who has that predatory instincts. But he's quick to it than the goalkeeper. Because it's a top goalkeeper in Bernard Leno. And on Antoine Semenyo. He was quick to it and pounced on in the box and gave Manchester City 1-0 up. And you see, maybe while that is going to be his biggest strength, Adia Bakua Pep, and probably you give credit to his recruitment team is that they signed Antoine Semenyo at the time and Ellen Haaland numbers need drop it. So Haaland had gone a couple of games, no she go. Then they brought in a clinical top level finisher, our boxing, which is Antoine. And the good thing with Antoine is that Manchester City, different varieties, different forms, different styles, different ways of approaching the game. Omutimibo, 4-4-2, Omutimibo, wings play, Omutimibo, a whole lot of things that they want to play, they're able to do that in their team, which is the best way to set up. The best way Ombetinya set your game. And the physical battles with Nigeria centre back Calvin Bassey. So you're Bema. If you want him to hold up, he hold up. Only box him in pegod Bema.
And now I'm only out of time.
Rich.
Calvin Bassey not go for power.
Calvin is a good centre back. No doubt about that. No doubt about that.
I'll pick it for.
Even Calvin those days in Belgium, as a younger player, he was solid, no doubt. However, sometimes Ushia players almost want to say when it comes down to a few other things. It's 7 goal contribution in 8 games or 5 games for Manchester City. That tells you the importance of him. And Pep, we are all singing the praise of Antoine Semenyo. He gets it from there. Now, after the game, Antoine said, how is he taking the title charge against us? Or starting who said be that or more in a team that is winning the title before. So it's new. However, there is a lot of pressure
to win the league.
No, so say on ye be the more team and what's on in terms of preparation. Okay, okay. No, say and then you Arsenal match against Brentford. And whatever happens in that game, he hopes that he goes in favor of Manchester City. which they did their job. Now Liverpool had a job to go and do. Mr. Charles Chinebuamo will differ slightly from the point of view of Liverpool Football Club. Any Anna slots. Why? Whether it was Jurgen Klopp or Juma and Anna slot be the home, and Anna slots na Juma Angasan or no the Babaji League now. Whatever the case was, Anna slots edgy league no Liverpool in his first season.
No doubt.
Sebe. Inka oye ubia onim nia oya. Inka yede ade papa crab jano no kebe je go in same first season him, or could have been worse. And Liverpool ni bia or doing say the Jurgen Klopp shoes no would have been easier to fill no. Probably understated the problem. Jurgen Klopp shoes no. It was never going to be easy for anybody to come and fill in. And as slot to buy no. Or yes, the same template, the same style of play. But I've constantly said that Liverpool themselves have been let down by their own ambitions.
So, with them, okay,
yeah.
Some Liverpool fans now move say, Papa, in the first season of the Premier League.
Yeah.
As a Jurgen Klopp, a Dumana no ayato na template, and only have a fan of the G League.
Yeah.
Onya full season no one can prepare team no at the league no. Is it all fambo?
Yeah, his family.
And it means that it do something there one cause I'm young handprint out team no.
But before
that, far from right.
No problem. But there, you see, two truths can coexist.
Okay.
The first truth is that Jurgen Klopp had laid the foundation of the club. But the other no craze is that Sebi inka onimnia oya inko to me for monje. Exactly. So that is why you should give him a full season. Yempamono season in Fifi. E hona me name Mr. Charles Chenebo mu depart no. Yempamono season in Fifi. Enka say because na onya de ba na this season yen in contention to win the league all of a sudden he has to go. No. My own assessment of the Liverpool problem is that the team is being undone by their own issues of ambition. Liverpool wanted to move on from Mohamed Salah. Liverpool before Mohamed Salah are thinking of life after Mohamed Salah. So let's bring in the guys that can give us goals. Mohamed Salah is a wide creator and also my goals. It means that the striker so my goals, but see also copy another central creator, which is Florian Wirtz. And again, unless the people who are looking at Florian Wirtz and a lot of the paces of Liverpool do not understand who Florian Wirtz is going to be. Which the pace of the English Premier League is way faster than the German Bundesliga. Go back and look at Kai Havertz at Leverkusen and look at Florian Wirtz at Leverkusen, and then put them all of them in their first season. One at Chelsea, one at Liverpool also. All of them new managers. The first one, Frank James Lampard. The other one, then Anna Slot comes in. They have to adapt and readapt. But Obi also Liverpool in the last few months will tell you that Florian Wirtz this season is the standard charted Liverpool best player of the month. Goals neighbor, assist neighbor. Rich, it is not a fluke. The Liverpool and Nana. It wasn't Arsenal going to show.
That's all we're beating.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. The league leaders now also say Liverpool kwa league no. Arsenal kwa went in no. Oko share last. You see, if you watch the game yesterday, Regis Lebris in the setup no crazy without the ball. Very, very organized. How space you want to occupy, you want to. In fact, in the first half, Liverpool, although Sunderland were solid, they created good chances, and probably they should have gotten the goal. But it took the second half for a good corner kick from Virgil van Dijk to make the difference. So it was a game that at the Stadium of Light, difficult place. Regis Lebris has made it tough. But they got a 3 points. Which 3 points now. The pack would have peeled away from them. Before a match, normally a 4 points of Manchester United and Chelsea. Imagine if they lost that, Man United and 1 more point. Once I could lose this match and about draw, you would have extended it. But now they've closed in. After both Chelsea and Man United drop points, what it means is that it is open for anybody to go into the rest of the season and go and chase the game. So for me, yes, you can have questions around Liverpool. You can have questions around.
But season,
you know. Okay. Whatever he did last season is enough. It has bought him enough time until the end of the season before anybody judges him. Which I'm very happy with what is happening to Nottingham Forest. Any of my president and my chairman, my Connors. He deserves it.
3 coaches. Moses in the grand.
So we have video no Espirito Santo.
Deserves
it. It was an emotional decision. You don't take decisions like that because you know coach and disagreement in tea. You attack him on the field of play and then subsequently he has to go. I'm supposed to go so by another emotional decision. One money 3 days cry. Now you see they will be relegated because manager no almost your marking on Kofanabano Pereira no. Oh, obey rules Jumano. Yes, he was good at Wolves, kept them in. But this job is going to be a different one. And you might even go back to David Moyes or no so where you might that. They can't do that the Nottingham Forest job. West Ham form and start picking. Omunya draw against Manchester United. In their last 5 games, they won 2, drawn 1, lost 2. Chelsea they no credit card there. And Omunya be free matching him. So Espirito Santo has gotten how he wants to play. And West Ham on fire. I doubt Nottingham Forest will be able to get there. Thomas Frank was always going to be a taking time bomb. He was going to go. Now, Rich, and then in the Premier League, Arsenal are playing something. When he said, Premier League table no so. The current coach or the coach for Brentford no. On and on the set piece coach for Thomas Frank, Abena Thomas Frank, Ewa Brentford no. Keith Andrews. Which some of your Keith Andrews at the Brentford team leader. After Johan Wissa going, Brian Mbeumo going. Ego Thiago, I think the second or third highest goal scorer of Premier League game this season as a centre forward. The system of the two players near the nearby. But Oba no benya AC onto one Bobby and that Thomas Frank and a Keith Andrews Ababe fan. Which what does that tell us? If and then you look at the Premier League table, na Keith Andrews either on top of the former boss. Now the former boss 2 points off, almost off relegation. What does that tell us? What does it tell us in the grand scheme of things of football? Especially with respect to coaches. Because Social Premier League table in the top 6, you look at Everton. Before Everton, in 7th place is Brentford, 39 points. Or the Liverpool, just 3 points. And only Arsenal elbow. Or the Chelsea, just 5 points. Or the Man United, just 6 points.
So how they chain the boss?
Well, the boss at the 16th. I mean, a pamono.
So it be a situation, no? If you had the kid Andrews come out to them, result down the boss,
exactly. And that is why I kept on asking you, Rich, the most important thing in modern day football management, and I'm saying this, your local clubs should learn it. It is structure. 1. Structure. 1. Team culture. Very important. 3. Rich, the overarching responsibility of making sure, say, no matter what, the structures in place are. Nipa bi or bebe will play in the structure and will succeed. If you go to Brentford, the Brentford University has a set piece department. We produce the best tactical statisticians from set plays. Chelsea set piece coach Bernardo Cueva. Or you're from Brentford. I want to know free. And I Keith Andrews Babeshim. Rich, Brentford for now this structure in so solid in a sense, say, and you coach in a chilo play or munkoto. And you coach in a chilo set piece coach or famra. They have a system. It will coach no bar. Yes, we want your leadership, we want your guidance, we want your management, but it's a structural thing. It is the team culture that has been built over the years and cuts across. To the extent that Keith Andrews can be just a set piece coach who succeed in a season when his former boss, from Thomas Frank, Abremaye Pamono. So football teams, Rich, the most important thing is never the manager. It is never an individual. It is always the structure and in the team culture. Rich, my fancy with us now match. They have to win the game, although it's very tough at the GT community. Now, and then it can either go sideways or in the right way. In Inter make us is Rich. Brentford first season of Premier League game, on the first match as a promoted side. Near Monday Night Football. Only Mikel Arteta team the boy. Near young Mikel Arteta has now signed an Abba, which almost show with set pieces, overloading of the far post. Since then, Mikel Arteta constantly has seen Brentford as a threat. In fact, to the extent that he had to learn the whole set piece conundrum from how Brentford were organizing stuff like that. and Arsenal for their do one bedroom. It's a nice that the fact that Arsenal have grown over the years, and you see almost call a GT Community Stadium. I'm so confident they'll go there and go and do the job. Now it's a Copa del Rey there, Barca. And let's go Madrid in your Copa del Rey, boss. If you talk about Copa del Rey, them now and now pretty much press conference now. Journalists could be saying Hansi Tavle say, "Hey, now you say Copa del Rey though." Teams are kesieni mo she mole for na dia koje no ma so fle ka che jealous no see bisa Madrid abe say team share o de mo ka che say I think at least there will be goals in the so kofi kesi ma but definitely Barca look like they will win that one, Rich.
Good decision by Nottingham Forest, but do they have anyone with a better pedigree than Thomas Frank that will accept this job at this time? Okay, sir, Roberto deserve you nominee at now. And he said no anasaba. So very quick. Maybe I better dear shall see Fifi.
I mean, the last message that you read.
Okay.
Tottenham can get any manager they want. Tottenham is a big club. So who you get? Are very attractive. I was how London. And Omuska. They will get any manager. Check their managers. Who they show the pedigree of their managers or more formal. They will easily get Deserbi. They will easily get any coach or more. Easily, Omenya. Look, I know I'm a catcher say Fulham any form of the City. And league in the baby Adruno. All that Pep Guardiola seek to do is to put pressure on Arsenal. Into on your chance to be that is his focus. Now look, da yebenya botre to say the story of Antoine. Me jiri se adia bako a ebedi mu tintimban pa in his journey, Rich, will be how he is improving every day. Antoine was never a box striker. He be above 10 whenever. But Rich, the guy seems to have developed in and around the box instinct. Yeah, that is why he's getting the goals. End product, sankasa. He's adding it to his game. And I'm money bonus you know, because every footballer, your value is your end product. Yeah, you madini in area, utuchini in area, ojiboni in area. What do you do with it? Your end product. And Semenyo seems to have trained the end product, so well. And I'm going to go now, Shayna. Yes, there is someone who is developing his instinct in the box. Follow up, sensing rebound, being at the right place at the right time. Always a presence, Eddie, because once you are in and around there, you can pop up at any time, not what changing the face of the game. Now, say, and now Antoine Semenyo's story, doesn't end with a goal, no. Oh no, my assist to O'Reilly manages a fantastic goal, no. And look at the weight of the pass now, the man O'Reilly, no. Making sure, say, O'Reilly will not need another touch. And son of a chippy goalkeeper, no. City are top player and they are getting a lot of results from him. A cabier in what's the cacrada? What's it? Me who go to be your exa. I've not verified, but Roy Keane, Eddie Semenyo, a purchase, to Chelsea's purchase of Garnacho. Now, like I said, the difference is clear. City went in for Obia. Now watch end product. Chelsea went in for be an consistent end product, and the two players are showing more metal or honor. Look, Abia, we will have to tell your brother Charles Chineboa to revisit the books with him and probably look at the facts well. Rich, me a typical club person. Even though I've never supported Borussia Dortmund or Liverpool, but Klopp as a manager, or you'll be me feeling, I love his works. But Rich, the argument say Anna Slots ebedi from Klopp hono overrated.
Okay.
Way overrated. And me can question, go and check Klopp the last season with Liverpool. Rich, the last season with Liverpool, Oditedo behind Man City and Arsenal. I think Man City had 91 points. Arsenal got 89. Klopp had 82. Audited. Last season, which is the 2023-2024. Klopp and for Liverpool are more Champions League. Omo boy Europa. Ever Europa they come film in the quarterfinals. That is the team Klopp left. And for Klopp to have left a team that played previously in the Europa League, hesitated in the quarterfinals, and were third behind Man City and Arsenal. Rich, and a slot to be so you made anymore. I see who is Man City, who is Arsenal. He cleared them to first. Yes, the Paris Saint-Germain in the Champions League, but at least they will take consolation. Say Paris Saint-Germain went on to win the Champions League. But look at the kind of starter Liverpool even in the Champions League. Me, I think say Adia Bakwa ha on a slot. Baby club far Liverpool team no. Any day all be win adwuma no. Na dey na odi Liverpool aye within the time obedi ho no. Rich, nobody cares about how he went off. Obia fan from baby obefa Liverpool any baby odi team no could do here. And the trophies or ye league for a long time or the EBG Champions League. We were playing the Champions League final. And that's one go for him, and he did a very, very good job. But Rich, so okay say, can be beat here and a slot in contest of clubber, you will never be fair.
Okay.
He has had a very, very good start. The biggest problem this season, after winning the league, Sika is out to go mumano. And the crisis now, Eduomako Echirino. That is the biggest problem. I don't make catch now. So beyond share Sunderland, but I'll put me make my question or what? It is Liverpool. That is who they are. Liverpool or more wonder characteristics no anymore.
Olympics.
Obia, yes, Obia say I am kwa or say me for never. That is Liverpool. And tell me anyam nwa so mkoye, go no say.
And like
they get some weird goal. Defend, manage the game. Yapon or record Liverpool about breaky. And that was a Liverpool team. Now what's in a few and for the City Abesano. Sano Motier. Liverpool team is an Motier. Who expected baby on farm mount? Who you were near? No, I and see, and that was good. Look, no Kenya men, no Kojita Kenya basket. Now, the match with whom has na pa. Why you Brentford for the last 2 games of Mabo? You mean you are rich? Now, baby, Ninya so winning
2 away games.
I'm going to share Aston Villa
or Villa Park.
No, we own them. No, St. James.
Newcastle.
Newcastle 3-2. In the last 2 games of Mabo, no. Villa Park win. St. James win against Newcastle. No more betting fair chance.
Super form.
It's about form in the year. I'm confidence was slow. Almost supporters because I feel more stadium more because the Omakwa in the away 2 games no more bonanziano. Omo pomo kwa omo say hey baby omo team you could the region. But Rich season in baby akwa kudru no. Arsenal only any choice on found no form a womb. I was so man over show. And say you say obi will form of Premier League now petit man asada. Rich, you call Arsenal. They don't care about your form. And omunya some small crisis be, but my last 4 games, we winning so they are back on winning ways. And then you ready, we will watch a very, very nice game.
Okay.
Barcelona been a small challenge
Against Atletico Madrid.
yes. Your highline your highline now coming up against Alvarez and Soloff. Now okay because Alvarez in quite a old pace. Our botuma Soloff the oye bulky or you slow. But Rich, and then you made a more Alvarez and Soloff. Oh. And then you may Barca will be playing against Alvarez and Lukman. Nti ama akwese okosia Real Madrid na obo 2 top with Vinicius and Mbappe against your highline. Nti Alex Bena mo pejo mo ti no mo pass no koke ebo 2 pass no to eto ye highline na chia. And ya den mo Lukman any Julian Alvarez and I run it to it. And you know omumienu say omo space between Ola's defense and the goalkeeper on my habaging. There's no Rafinha. There's no Rashford. And yet, say Femi Lopez ever bought at the left hand side. Na Lamine Abo Baby Obona, Ferran Torres will lead the line. Na Daniel Omo, Abo Omachi as Omo number 10. Mark Bena Abe born number 6. Now Frankie de Jong Abo as a number 8. Look, in the last 3 games, any let's come at Abo. Nina Yashom. Barrich, Samia Hansi Flicker. I will not tell the Barca boy say. Yamko Kileta no Wanda Metropolitan. You 2 legs. Go get a resource. Ubet mini game na cost 45 company. No kwako you ma free mo fee. Say eto man ni ebetimi asho ma Kileta na why not? But we should manage the game well, especially with the way we defend against Lukman and Alvarez with Saya Highliner. Yeah, but we just have to be very, very careful with that.
Insurance of 4.5 Bismarck goes to Ayala. And 5th man Fred Namati Omo Enka